Hey everyone, this is Toma and thank you so much for joining me today for this watercolor time lapse. I am working with watercolors on my sketchbook today and I'll be painting water droplets with a blurry background and a rainbow. So I'll start with a wash of Prussian blue at the top left corner and then gradually I'll keep adding those hues for the rainbow. Now you can see me painting a yellow line, and on top of this I'll start blending the red. After having done with red, I'll add a green hue to the bottom of this yellow line. Well, I'm not yet done with painting the rainbow. I'll get back to this when the first layer gets a little dried. For the time being, I'll start working on the greeneries. For painting the bushes, here I'm using sap green, and with a mop brush you need to gently dab on the wet surface to get this bushy effect. For painting those darker areas, I'm using a mixture of Prussian blue, black and sap green, and for the brighter parts I'm adding chrome yellow with sap green. For the blurry effect, you need to dab the outer edges of the greeneries with a dry brush. Now, after having done with that, let's start retouching the sky area and the rainbow. I am using a dry brush technique to blur out a little bit and adding a little more color to the rainbow. Now when the painting gets slowly dried, I'll start mapping out those raindrops. For painting those raindrops, you can either use a reference image where you can have an idea for the placement of each drops, or you can just keep adding random uneven drop-like structures like I am doing here in this painting. Just keep in mind that whenever you are drawing a droplet, the actual scenery behind the droplet gets reversed. Means the top of each droplet would be dark and the bottoms brighter. There are some other paintings on my channel where I have used a reference image to draw the droplets, sometimes over a human face or sometimes with some other scenery at the back. I'll list the links to those videos in my description box below in case if you wanna check them and try out other techniques to paint water droplets. So let's get back to today's painting. I am using a fine detail brush to draw out those raindrops, and as I've mentioned before, you need to keep the top of each droplet black and bottom of each droplet will be brighter. If you observe any water droplet very closely, you'll notice that it flips all the color around. Normally, for the brighter part, you'll get the color mixture from your current color palette in use only. Means you might have already used that color to draw the background. You just need to add a little amount of white to that color and paint the brighter parts. And this method is being repeated again and again for each drops. So I hope you all enjoyed this painting time lapse. Please leave your feedback in the comment section below how much you liked it. And if you want to recreate this painting, please tag me on your post. I would love to see your recreation. You can also follow me on Instagram at @toma.shortcut.art because I often post my paintings and other work in progresses over there. Thank you guys for watching this video. I wish you all have a lovely day. See you soon in my next video, and till then, take care. Bye bye.